Guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Roots. In this video I wanted to talk about the conditioner that I used, the co-wash, after I dyed my hair. So there's a lot of questions about conditioning your hair, and we're going to talk about that and what you guys think about co-washing or applying conditioner in your hair. So before I get right into that video, I just wanted to welcome you all onto this platform. If you're new on this channel, remember to subscribe, thumbs up, you know the gist, and notification bell so you don't miss videos like this. You know what's changed? Our background. I've been working on my office space, trying to create a filming area and have all my stuff going on. I have a mirror now for all my retweets, so I just wanted to update you guys that my backgrounds keep changing, but we'll still use the one I use downstairs in my house with the flower, with the plants, the green plants. I really like that background, but sometimes I find it easier to just record in here. And now that I have a mirror, I really feel like this is gonna make life easier for me. And we've got the lights, we all have all the lights in here. So I'm just gonna catch you guys up real quick. If you're new on this channel, I am about to talk about the color I used in my last video. I have a hairstyle 2 videos before this one, so it was about coloring my hair black. I used this dye. If you guys haven't seen the video, I'm just gonna add the tag on top. It's a black number 2. I added a link. I'll add a link below here. I had mentioned in that video that I won't be using this conditioner. I'm actually not planning to keep this on, so let me just take off. It's just to have, you know, the sleek kind of edges going on. So I thought that was cute. Anyways, so back to the video. I wanted to talk about, what do you guys think about conditioner, guys? So this is a Natural Instincts conditioner that came together with the dye. And what I wanted to say to you guys is that I had mentioned in my video that I used the dye. I didn't use this conditioner, and I wanted to say why. The reason why I didn't use it was because I thought I would have problems with build-up, and I'm really scared. If you've watched our other videos, there's a lot of issues concerning product build-up and, you know, all these jazz about, you know, having build-up in your hair. I just dyed my hair and it's gonna be black, and I think with black hair a lot of build-up really stands out. It does stand out in other colors as well, but I really wanted to approach this fact that I didn't want that. But going back to why it's all squeezed out, I used it, you guys. I used it. So I wanted to go back to that. A few days after I had done that, or I think the next day after coloring my hair, I actually could feel that it's so brittle, guys. Like, it was really, it's not crispy, not like the crispy look, juicy locks. Crisp like dry. I can't even talk. Crispy like dry hair, and I could actually feel it like really brittle and dry. Right now I've actually worked on it, and I just wanted to advise anyone out there, if you're going to dye your locks, guys, all right, just use a conditioner. There's a lot of facts about what conditioner to use on locks, and one thing I'm going to mention to you guys is that, one, just trying to make sure it's still recording. One, it's to make sure that the conditioner that you're using is safe to use and is not so heavy. So one thing I wanted to say is that my hair was pretty dry. It really felt like it was really thirsty. I had done the whole hair spritz with rose water and oil in it, my own DIY that I make. I used even my own product that I sell. It wasn't working. So even after sealing in with moisture, sealing in oil, sealing in the moisture, this didn't seem to kind of revive or juice up the strands. So then I was like, you know what, I think I really do need to use that conditioner. if you have like a conditioner that you use, if you do happen to color your hair with whatever dye you're using or whatever you decide to use, I would really advise to really follow up with a co-wash. And that being said is that maybe it's the fact that there's chemicals in this particular dye that actually cause the hair to dry up. We're using a dye that is going to color the hair long periods of time. A lot of people who have experienced or who have dyed the hair in the past, when I dyed my hair, I actually would experience a lot of dryness, especially right after. When you bleach or dry, your hair becomes more fluffier. So I just wanted to say that follow up with a co-wash. It's really important. So the other thing I actually did wrong was I did dye it and then I followed up with my normal shampoo. I'll talk about a shampoo that I use in another video, but I followed up with the shampoo that I used, and I think that might have been more clarifying to the hair and made it even more dry. And then going in with the hair spritz and oil really might have not done, you know, the job that it's meant to do. So just be careful when you do color your hair, or you're thinking of coloring your locks, especially because I'm doing this out of experience with my own Microlocs. Make sure you actually use a conditioner right after. If you're not very sure with what comes in the box, make sure you read the ingredients. If you want to be, if you're very specific about what ingredients are used or whatever is added to it. This was supposed to be 80% natural, meaning that it's not fully natural. But I mean, if you're gonna color hair, you're pretty much also using a bit of, you know, other chemicals that really do dry up your hair. So I just don't want to go on and on. I just wanted to just also share on the texture of the conditioner that you might use. This is the texture of, not texture, but I'm just trying to show you. It's not as thick. So if you have a conditioner that is light-ish, like so, as you can tell, if you spread on your hand, it's not too bad. All right, I'm going to wipe that off, but I just wanted to show you that that was the texture of the conditioner that I used. It's not heavy. I think it's pretty much in between. I just wanted to advise that it's best you use something not too heavy. And also on the box it says to leave in for like 2 minutes or so. I left it for 5 minutes because I felt like I really needed that juicing up in the hair, and then my hair strands were thirsty, or like they were really thirsty, and I just felt I really needed that. I wash my hands, don't ask. Right now I'm just gonna be done with filming and then I'm going to wash it. So do use a conditioner, guys. I'm still yet to see and talk about in another video what I think about conditioning Microlocs. And one thing I wanted to say is that this is how my hair has been since I dyed it. So it's much, you know, it's more juicy now and softer than the way it was when I actually had no conditioner at all. So I went in and washed it out, and they feel way better than, you know, than they did. So they actually feel a bit more volume, juicy, like this body, okay? But before that, they were just like so frail. So I wanted to share that, and I will share in the future, well, near future, in another video, I will share when I come across what conditioners to use. I know that we are all struggling with build-up problems. No one wants to have build-up in their hair, and we try and avoid that. The other tip I had was to make sure that you rinse out thoroughly. And when I say thoroughly, is like if you come out of the if you happen to come out of the shower and you still feel like your hair is still got some white stuff, or you can still see something, really do take it out. Like go back in the shower and try and wipe off everything all over, because if you don't, this is going to dry up into your lock and it's gonna cause you some misery down the line, and we don't want that, sis. So I just wanted to analyze that. I used a conditioner in my hair and I don't regret it. I needed it, and I think sometimes your hair strands will talk to you and tell you, we're not happy, we're not doing well over here, like help us. So it's like really watering a plant, and you go without watering it, it's gonna frail, the leaves drop. My hair just didn't feel like this, it just felt dry. So make sure that you're using the right procedure, and I'm pretty sure they know what they're talking about when they follow up with the conditioner. So just to go back to that before people come after me, I did use a conditioner, and if you're not okay with the conditioner, this is just advice for people who are willing to try products that really work. Sometimes I feel like you're the best person to know your hair, and it's through trying things that you find it's, you know, it is what it is. And not everybody's hair or Microlocs are going to be the same. One, because all our hair types are different. If you're in the 4C hair, or you know, groups 3, or you know, we all have different kinds of hair. So I just don't want to keep going on and on and on, but I just wanted to share with you guys that really, if you color your hair, follow up with the conditioner. If you're not okay with the conditioner, if you have a leave-in conditioner spray straight after washing, make sure that you use that, because sis, your hair is gonna dry up. It's gonna dry up, and it's not gonna be pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll be back with another video. All right, and remember guys, I really appreciate everybody who's supporting me, everybody who's already subscribed to this channel. I really appreciate all the love, and I just want to keep growing this channel, growing it, and doing content that, you know, goes along my own journey with you guys. So I really hope this helps somebody out there, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and see you. Bye.